How are you? This is Ujjwal Kumar Sen, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn about chip velocity. Well, of course, I got two questions. Those has been asked in GATE previous years. So today, first of all, understand what is basically chip velocity. Okay, whenever cutting process is going on, and because of that cutting process, there would be some velocity of that chip, and that velocity is known as chip velocity. Okay. So basically, what is this chip velocity? There is a relation. Okay, vc is equal to r into v, and vc is known as chip velocity. Okay, and this v is known as cutting speed, or sorry, cutting velocity. You must say that cutting velocity, right? So this is the relation, and now r is equal to t uncut t a by tv. So t, what is ta? That is uncut chip thickness, and this is chip thickness. Okay, chip thickness. Okay, and if you wanted to remember this right way, then before cutting, and this is after cutting. That's it. Now there is one other relation that we know to find out this ratio, and this is known as chip thickness ratio. And because this is a ratio, so this is r is not having any unit. So there is another formula to find out chip thickness ratio, that is sine phi. Phi is shear angle. Okay, and cos phi minus alpha. Phi is shear angle and alpha is rack angle. Okay, so this is the formula we are going to use to solve questions those already asked in GATE, and I'm not going to use any other thing. Yeah, another thing is that we know that v is equal to pi dn by 1000. We can also use this formula to find out velocity. Okay, I mean, if we have given relation, then we can easily find out velocity also. Okay, so these two formulas are most important for solving problems related to chip velocity which has been asked in GATE previous year. Okay, so but I am waiting for, I am waiting for you. So let's go for first question. First question is right now in front of you. I hope you can see, right? So what we have to find out, that is for your chip velocity, I have already shared with you. So chip velocity vc is equal to r into v. R is, what is the formula of r? I have just shared with you, sine phi by cos phi minus alpha into v. So right now what I have to do, what we have to do, even you have to do, first of all you have to write the formula what we have to find out. After then we have to find out things from the question only, and then put in the formula what is required. According to requirement we will fill. So first, sine phi is shear angle, that is 45, cos 45 minus, this is rack angle we have 15 degree, into v, velocity is 35 meter per minute. So don't need to change unit, because already this is the asking unit is meter per minute, right? So there would not be any unit from here, so remaining unit would be meter per minute. So no need to take tension for unit only. Now what required, what right now required exactly, that is we need to do little simplification here. And 35, now we have to use, what we have to use, calculator, right? So we got sine 45 divided by cos 30, I think I got right, multiple 35. So what we got, the answer, that is 28.57 meter per minute. Exact answer is matching with option A. So no need to be delayed, just mark the right answer and get marks. So this is about the question how to find out cutting velocity of chip, or chip velocity. First question I have solved. Now let's go for the second question. Probably you are also waiting for that. So for solving the first question, I have used this formula, what I have already shared with you, what is the formula and how it is related with others, right? Now we have gone to the second formula, what I have shared with you already, and the second question we can solve by using that formula. I hope you are interested, right? So let's go for that question. So we have a question right now. Let me read question, because this is an interesting question, right? So here also we have to find out chief velocity. Okay, so for finding out chief velocity we have two formulas I have shared with you, but here we have to use here we have to use that formula which is suitable for. So we have that formula, V is equal to pi dn by 1000. Now pi d is how much? Diameter 40, and n is 500 by 1000. Simple, right? So we can use this formula to find out the answer. Okay, now what we are getting here, pi multiple 40 into 500 divided by 1000, that means 62.83. So B is the right answer for this question. Now most important, my dear, most important thing is that what I am going to share with you right now only. We know that VC is equal to R into V, right? But here what is asking, velocity with which sheep follows on the tool. That means velocity with which the chip flows on the tool we have to find out. So for finding out that, we have this value, right? Now what is most important that I need to share with you here. Important here I need to share with you, what you are going to do the same mistake here, because they are saying velocity with the chip flows on the tool is. So if you are saying that velocity with the chip flows on the tool is, so we have to find out what velocity with which chip flows on the tool. That means if you're talking about chip velocity, then this is not the formula for finding out chip velocity. We got the formula here, VC is equal to RV. Exactly same mistake you are going to do if you are solving this question, right? So what we have to do, we have to find out, if you have to find out chip velocity, right, then we have option. That is, we have to first find out V, then put value here. That is how much we are getting. Suppose that I think 62.8, right? Now R we need to find out. For finding out R, we have formula sin phi cos phi minus alpha. Sin phi is 25, cos phi minus 25 minus 10. So sin 25 by cos 15. What is the answer I am getting right now? Sin 25 by cos 15. What? Yeah, 0.4375. Now we have to multiply this answer with here 62.8. So 27.47 meter per minute. So if you are talking about this, the velocity with chip flows on the tool, that means it is not talking about cutting velocity, it is talking about what? Chip velocity. Okay, so if it is asking for chip velocity, then we have to find out its chip velocity, right? So what is the value of its chip velocity? That is 27.5. So this is not the right answer, this is the right answer for finding out chip velocity. If you are talking about cutting speed, then this is the right answer, that is 62.8. remember this. Okay, probably you are going to make mistake here, right? So what formulas we have used to solve these two problems? Let me review again. We got chip velocity, the topic, and we got two formulas to use. One is this formula, and here we have also used chip thickness ratio formula, that is sin phi by cos phi minus alpha. So things we need to know, formulas first, and we need to know what elements we have used in this formula, what are their units. Once we will come to know units and elements we have used in the formula, then things become what? Things become quite easier for us to find out the answer. So this is how you can solve problems, and of course you can easily find out answer in this case. Let me share with you one thing for 30 to 40 seconds. That is, if you are preparing for manufacturing engineering, and if you are preparing for GATE point of view, or you wanted to solve numerical problems, then this is one of the important as well as simple topic as you are doing, because all these topics are almost formula based. So you don't need to have panic for that, you need to just solve problems, right? So this is all about questions I have shared with you. regarding chip velocity. This is one of the most important topic. I hope you understand it, and hope it will be helpful in the upcoming examination for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.